morning, children. I am very happy to see you in the online class. How are you all? All are safe at home? Shall we start today's maths class? Yeah, what we are going to continue? We are going to continue same chapter, mensuration. In mensuration, last week we learned surface area and total surface area. Then we learned volume. So, curved surface area of the cylinder, curved surface area of the cone and the sphere we learned. Then we learned how to find out volume of cylinder, volume of sphere and volume of cone. Today, we are going to learn combined shapes. What we can combine figures in solids. Okay. How to combine two solid figures or two or three more solid figures. Okay. Now have you seen this is the cylinder, children? Yes. Cylinder plus cone or cylinder plus hemisphere or cylinder plus sphere, cylinder plus cone. Somehow solids may combine two or three figures. We say that combined solid figures. Okay. So a combined solid is said to be a solid formed by combining two or more solids. I hope you all understood. Shall we see few more examples? We see examples. See children, here we have cylinder plus cone. Yes. So depends upon the question whether surface area or volume. Depends upon that you have to what to do. You have to use the formulas. See this diagram. Here it's given cuboid plus prism. Here did you see this? What? Cube, and inside the cube there is a sphere. Here cylinder, inside the cylinder cone. Here cylinder, inside the cylinder we have the spheres. Depends upon that children we have to apply the formula also. Okay. Now see this also. We have 10 combination of solids like cylinder plus hemisphere, cone plus hemisphere. Here also cone plus hemisphere. Here cylinder plus two hemispheres. So how do you calculate? Cylinder plus hemisphere, cone plus hemisphere, cylinder plus cone. Hope you all understood. So depends upon the solids whether you have to find out surface area or volume, you have to apply the formula. Okay children, shall we see now the problems? Okay, now open a book, page exercise 7.3, the first problem. Can anyone read this problem? Try. A vessel is in the form of hemispherical bowl mounted by a hollow cylinder. The diameter is 14 centimeter and the height of the vessel is 13 centimeter. Find the capacity of the vessel. Listen very carefully children. It is a vessel, hemisphere bowl mounted by a hollow cylinder. Okay. Did you listen very carefully? What? Sphere plus hollow cylinder. The diameter is 14 centimeter. What is the diameter? Because the diameter is common for the sphere as well cylinder. So the diameter is 14 centimeter and the height of the vessel, total height of the vessel is 13 centimeter. Find the capacity of the vessel. So this is the diagram children. Okay. So here cylinder, it is surmounted the what? Sphere. Okay. Now only sphere cylinder is here. Okay. We know total height that is 13 centimeter. But what is the cylinder? Height of the cylinder. How will you calculate the height of the cylinder? Can say total height we know that 13. But radius of the sphere is what? Hemisphere is 7 centimeter. So total height we know 13. Okay. Minus 7. What you will get? You will get 6 centimeter. You will get 6 centimeter. So now we see that, children. What all given we take and write. What all given? Height, diameter of the diameter of the hollow cylinder given, as well diameter of the sphere also. Radius, from that you will find out. How will you find out? Half of the diameter is called what? Radius. So radius equal to d by 2. So you found out what? 7 centimeter. You know the height, total height 13 centimeter. Okay. So but we have to find out what? Volume of vessel. What you are going to find out? Volume of vessel. Children, listen. Volume of vessel is equal to volume of cylinder plus volume of cylinder plus volume of sphere. Okay. So it's written volume of sphere plus volume of cylinder. What is the formula for volume of sphere? Can anyone say volume of sphere, children? Already I taught you. Volume of sphere is what? Hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube cubic units. What is the formula, ma? 2 by 3 pi r cube cubic units. Now what is the cylinder formula? Pi r square h cubic units. Okay, children. Now we know the formula. Just you apply in that formula. Okay, children. So 2 by 3 pi r cube plus pi r square h cubic units. Okay, children, in that formula you are going to apply. How will you find out? We know the total length and height. Okay. So pi take commonly outside. Pi take commonly outside. When you take pi commonly outside, inside the bracket you will be getting 2 by 3 into r cube plus r square h. So pi into, apply. Okay, children, the next problem is, we see who like to read the next problem. Who is ready to read the next problem? Anyone? Shall I start read first? Nathan, an engineering student, was asked to make a model shaped like a cylinder with 2 cones attached at its 2 ends. The diameter of the model is 3 cm. Children, listen. Note it very carefully. What is given? Diameter is given. So the diameter is 3 cm and its length is 12 cm. What is the total length of the model? 12 cm. If each cone has a height of 2 cm, find the volume of the model that Nathan made. Listen, children. Nathan is an engineering college student. He is trying to make a model. The model is cylinder, both the sides attached cone. The height of the cone is 2 cm. So 2 sides they joined cone. So how many centimeter length of the cone is? This side 2 cm, this side 2 cm. So what is the height of the cylinder? Actually totally 12 cm. So this side 2 gone, this side 2 gone. So what do you have? 12 minus 4. So what is the height of the cylinder? Height of the cylinder is 8 cm. Understood, children? What is the height of the cylinder? 8 cm. What is the radius? For cylinder also 3 cm. Diameter ma. For cylinder also 3 cm. Cone also 3 cm. So what is the radius? What is the radius? What is the radius? Half of the diameter is called radius. So how much radius? 3 by 2 centimeter. See the diagram. Cylinder, children. Then we get both the sides joined with 2 cones. So here 2 centimeter gone. Here 2 centimeter gone. So the rest is what? So cylinder is what? 8 centimeter. Okay. So the diameter is 3 centimeter. So what is the radius? 3 by 2 centimeter. So given, what all given we write? Diameter of the model is 3 centimeter. So what is the radius? Anyone? What is the radius? Deepak. can you say the radius? 3 by 2 centimeter. Okay, what is the total length? 12 centimeter. What is the height of the cone? 2 centimeter. How many cones? 2 cones. So how many cones? How much length we have to subtract? 4. What is the height of the cylinder? 12 minus 4? 8 centimeter. Okay, children. Now, shall we apply the formula? What is the formula, children? What we are going to find out? Volume of model. What you have to find out? Volume of the model. What are the solid figures given? Cylinder and 2 cones. Okay, cylinder and 2 cones. So, 2 into cone plus cylinder. So, volume of the model is equal to 2 times volume of cone plus volume of cylinder. 2 times volume of cone plus volume of cylinder. Children, now we apply the formula. We have 2 cones into 1 by 3 pi r square h plus pi r square h, because this is volume of cylinder. So 2 times, shall we take commonly pi outside? So 2 cones. So 2 by 3 pi r square h plus r square h. Pi we have taken commonly outside. So we get the pi is commonly outside and 2 by 3 into 3 by 2, because radius is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 square. So 3 by 2 into 3 by 2. Height of the cone is 2 centimeter. Okay, the cylinder is pi r square h. Apply, cancel it, children. The rest we have pi into 3 plus 18. So 3 plus 18, 21. So pi into 21 is equal to 22 by 7 into 21. Get cancelled, 3 centimeter. So 2 into 3, 66 centimeter cube. So volume of the cone is 66 centimeter cube. I think, hope you all understood, children. If you have a doubt, please ask me. I will clear. Children, now practice problems. Exercise 7.3. We are going to do 4th problem and 5th problem and practice all the examples. Okay, children? Thank you. Have a good day, children.